Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and welcome back to this episode. In this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to transfer your funds within the BingX app. So for example, if you're having money on your spot and you want to start trading futures, how to transfer your money within the BingX app, right? But before we get started, I want you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also turn on that notification button so you get notified whenever we post an important video like this. Alright, without wasting much time, let's get started. Right here is your BingX app. This is the home page. So right now you'll be heading straight to your asset right here because you want to transfer your funds, right? So once you click on asset, this is what you'll be seeing, right? So you'll be seeing deposit, withdraw, transfer and convert. So right now you're not going to be making use of the convert nor withdraw or even deposit. We are only going to be making use of the transfer right here. So what you're going to be doing right now is click on it. Once you click on it, now this is where it's very important to understand. So right now, because if you're just depositing money to your BingX app, it will not just come to the futures directly, right? So it will either be on funds right here. So all you need to do right is click on funds. If it's on standard account, which is on futures, if you want to transfer from your futures to your spot, you can see right now if the money is on your funds right here, you just transfer it to your standard, which is futures account, so you can be able to trade futures derivatives on your BingX app. So right now, once it's on funds, you can either transfer it if you want to transfer it from your spot to your futures or from your futures to your funds. So you just go ahead and click on this icon right here. You click on it. Now you click on funds. Right here is where you're selecting the token you want to transfer. Do you want to transfer USDT or do you want to transfer any other crypto pair? So right now you click on USDT if it's USDT. So right here is where you select the amount of USDT you want to transfer in your available balance. Do you want to transfer 50? Do you want to transfer all? Then if you want to transfer all, you click on this all right here. So right now why you're not seeing anything is because there is no available balance on our BingX account. So for the sake of this video, I'm just explaining how you can transfer your funds from your spot to your futures account so you can be able to trade on your futures, right? So right now once you click on all, you will see that this transfer icon will be activated. So once you click on transfer, your funds will be activated on your futures account, right? So this is the simplest way on how to transfer funds within your BingX app, right? If you're still watching this video, thank you for watching up to this time. If you don't have an account with BingX app, there will be a link in the description below where you can click and create your account and also get a 10% discount bonus on your first deposit using our referral link in the description below. And also there will be a free link in the description below to our free Telegram channel where we share free trade signals every single day. Do well to check it out. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.